Hello and welcome back to Knowledge is the Key. If you're new to our channel, we're all about sharing knowledge in an engaging and entertaining way. Before we dive in, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment if you think of a job we didn't list in this video. Let's jump right into today's topic. The AI era is transforming our interaction with technology. Each day, we're seeing cutting-edge AI and robots coming to life. Remember when we only used to see these in sci-fi movies? Today, they're becoming part of our everyday life, from adorable robotic pets to humanoid robots sparking both awe and fear. While AI's automation capabilities are taking over jobs previously done by humans, stirring job safety concerns, we must remember that innovation often brings opportunities and opens new job avenues. In fact, Gartner reports that by 2025, AI will not only eliminate millions of jobs but also create 2 million new ones. The history of job displacement due to technology is not new. Look at the mechanization of agriculture in the United States. Around 50% of American workers were employed in the agricultural sector at the end of the 19th century. Today, that's just between 1 and 2%. So, the question is, will AI cause a similar revolution in the labor market? We're already incorporating AI into different aspects of our daily lives. Now let's dive into what jobs AI will likely replace. 1. Customer service representatives. These are often the first point of contact for customers. AI can handle repetitive queries, providing automated responses to FAQs such as delivery status, payment confirmation, and order cancellations. Human intervention is only needed when a bot can't answer a question. 2. Receptionists. Today's corporations are using AI to handle front desk duties, and it's becoming more commonplace. You may have even booked a table at a restaurant using an online system rather than speaking to a human. AI receptionists like Amy Reception can see, listen, understand, and talk with guests. 3. Accountants, bookkeepers. More companies are utilizing AI for accounting practices. These systems offer efficiency, flexibility, and security. By entering daily transactions into the software, the AI handles the rest. This approach is significantly cheaper than paying an employee's salary for the same work. 4. Salespeople. With the shift towards online marketing and advertising, physical salespeople are becoming less needed. Today, brands engage customers using content strategies, and shoppers can research and buy products themselves, often aided by AI that learns their shopping behaviors. 5. Taxi and truck drivers. Ride-hailing services have already disrupted the taxi industry, but self-driving, AI-driven vehicles will have an even bigger impact. Companies like Uber, Lyft, and Waymo are heavily investing in autonomous vehicles. 6. Retail services. From tracking inventory to collecting payments and answering questions, AI is reshaping retail. Amazon Go is the epitome of this, providing a shopping experience that requires no checkout. 7. Proofreaders and Translators. AI-powered tools such as Grammarly, DeepL, and Google Translate allow writers to self-check their work, looking for spelling errors, grammatical mistakes, and even readability issues. 8. Security and military personnel. With a focus on minimizing human casualties, AI is being considered for security and military operations. AI is reshaping future battlefields, with robots that can operate in low-light conditions, and even use deadly weapons. 9. Surgical assistants. Robotic doctors are no longer just a concept. Capable of performing critical operations, they can eliminate human error. The Smart Tissue Autonomous Robot, STAR, has already performed a successful keyhole surgery. 10. Courier Services. Companies like Amazon and Walmart are looking at drones and robots for delivery services. Although this transition is gradual, it's expected that AI will eventually dominate the courier industry. But, while AI is making strides in various fields, there are tasks it simply cannot handle. These are roles requiring human reasoning, creativity, and emotional intelligence. We will be diving into these roles and why they're safe from AI in our upcoming video, so stay tuned. It's clear that the AI revolution will change the landscape of work, but remember, every change brings new opportunities. So, whether you're contemplating a career change or just beginning your journey in the workforce, keep an eye on these trends. Knowledge, after all, is the key. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. We hope this information was helpful and sparked some thought-provoking discussions. If you enjoyed our content, please make sure to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. And we would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave us a comment below. Remember, your engagement is the fuel that keeps us going. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.